Gently lie down on your side and then rest your body on your back with face towards the sky. Spread your legs out, letting your feet tilt outwards. Place your hands slightly away from your body with palms facing the sky. Release the stress from your shoulders and upper back. Rest your head and neck in a straight position. Close your eyes gently. Try and release your body weight completely to the force of gravity. Continue to breathe normally. And now, keeping your body completely still, relax the 16 vital zones as follows. Relax the tips of your toes and fingers. Relax your ankles and wrists. Relax your knees and elbows. Relax your thighs and arms. Relax your anus. Relax your reproductive organs. Relax your navel. Relax your stomach. Relax your heart. Relax your neck. Relax your lips. Relax the tip of your nose. Relax your eyes. Relax the space between your eyebrows. Relax your forehead. And finally, relax your brain. Now, your entire body is completely relaxed, almost forgotten. The smallest of your body muscles are relaxing. Observe how you are feeling, completely free and calm. Gently bring your awareness to the belly. Notice the quality of your breath right now. Peaceful, satisfying breaths. With every exhalation, release conscious control of your body further and further. Let it all go. Enjoy the rhythm of your breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Your body is healing, recharging itself. Your mind is free of thoughts and worries. You have the solution to every problem of yours. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You are experiencing a blissful state. You are blessed with a beautiful life. You are becoming a better version of yourself every day. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You are happy. You are peaceful. You are free. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Enjoy the state. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Move your toes and fingers slightly, keeping your eyes closed. Gently turn to your right side. With the support of your hands, pull yourself up into the sitting position. Straighten your back. Rest your hands on your knees. And very slowly open your eyes. That was Shavasana for you. Keep practicing. Namaste.